Hello students, today we will start first chapter of economics, the story of village Palampur. So in that chapter we learn about the factors of production, or you can say organization of productions, how things produce in the society. So first, before going to start this topic, I want to tell you about the difference between economic and economic. So economic is the study of the things, and economy just like अर्थव्यवस्था. आपके कंट्री में जो भी अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं, किस चीज के रेट गिरना होना, वो सब इकोनॉमी में आता है. लेकिन स्टडी ऑफ दोज थिंग्स कम इन द इकोनॉमी. सो this is the story of village Palampur, and Palampur is the hypothetical means imaginary village. The narrator used that village by his own imagination. अपने इमेजिनेशन के हिसाब से उसने इस विलेज को नाम दिया है, और ये बताया गया जैसे विलेज वैसे इंडिया के और विलेज भी है, वहां भी यही आपकी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी चलती है. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी क्या होती है, व्हाट आर द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, या व्हाट इज द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. सो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी विच कंट्रीब्यूट इन द नेशनल इनकम ऑफ द कंट्री, वी कॉल द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. जस्ट लाइक suppose your father is working in a company, so certainly he is contributing for the country. So this is economic activity. And non-economic activity, like your mother, whatever work your mother is doing at home, this is not part of the economic activity. So that's why we call it non-economic activity. Now come to the organization of production or factors of production. So it is fall into four parts. One is land, second one is labor, third one is physical capital, and fourth one is human capital. So land, we know that we have fixed land. So same happened in the village Palampur. The villagers have fixed land, and that land is free gift of God. It is what limited in supply, and this land is immobile, means we cannot टेक दिस लैंड टू अदर प्लेस. हम इसको मूव नहीं कर सकते. जो लैंड हमको पालमपुर विलेज में ही है, तो लैंड इज इमोबाइल, ये घूम नहीं सकता. इमूवेबल, ये घूम नहीं सकता है. एंड इट फिक्स्ड, वी कैन नॉट इंक्रीज दैट. सपोज वी हैव 10 हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड, जो 10 ही 10 रहेगा. उसमें दो में अगर लोग रह रहे हो, दो अदर एक्टिविटीज के लिए यूज किया, और उसमें से जो बचा 6 हमने जो है एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज किया हो, तो उतना ही रहेगा. हम बढ़ा नहीं सकते हैं उसे. इट इज फिक्स्ड. 10 हेक्टेयर मीन्स 10 हेक्टेयर. देन आफ्टर दैट लेबर, सो लेबर इज मोबाइल, मूव हो सकता है. वीक इन बार्गेनिंग, बाय बार्गेनिंग यू कैन रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट ऑफ लेबर. एंड पावर, दे आर नॉट पावरफुल. देन फिजिकल कैपिटल, it has two parts. One is fixed capital, one is working capital. Now what is the difference between fixed capital and working capital? Fixed capital means, first go through the example. Fixed capital means is building, and second thing is machine. So you are building only one time, you built the building of your office. You take example of a school. School building बन गई, this is fixed, we cannot move it. So this is fixed capital. Machine, when we install it, we cannot move it, we cannot remove it. After producing something, we cannot use the other. So physical capital, the one part is fixed. Working capital is raw material and cash in hand. Cash in hand we always require for purchasing the new goods. Take the example of this pen, this marker. So we require raw material for that. For purchasing raw material we require cash in hand. So This is working capital, which help us to complete our work in time. So this is working capital. After that come human capital. So in that we required a skilled and educated workforce. Skilled labor, human capital, educated workforce come in that category, and unskilled also come in that category. Human capital, as a human being, what type of contribution I am giving in that particular work. Then after that, after this topic, organization of production or factors of production, next topic is land is here. The land which is available in village Palampur is fixed. We cannot increase it, neither we increase it nor we reduce it. For example, if we have 10 hectare of land, so certainly only that 10 hectare of land we have to use. After that, how many cropping seasons existed in village Palampur? Simple. Two types, one is Kharif and second one is Rabi. Kharif season, it denotes rainy season, and Rabi season, winter and dry season. So two type of crop season are there. One is Kharif, one is Rabi. In Kharif season, we grow different type of food grains. Example, I think fodders also we can use during the Kharif season. Rabi season, we grow these food grains in the winter and dry season. Example is sugarcane, you can take example. Abundantly we are doing. And after that, cropping pattern. So what type of cropping pattern we are adopting here in the village Palampur? One is single. Sometimes we are adopting the single cropping pattern, sometimes double, sometimes multiple. Question that, yes, multiple type of cropping system is using in the village Palampur. In that multiple cropping system, in our cropping season, more than two type of crops are growing in the same field. एक ही जमीन में अलग अलग किस्म की 3 से ज्यादा या 2 से ज्यादा फसल उगाई जाती है। जैसे रबी और खरीफ क्रॉप के बीच में जेड यानी कि किसान लोग वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स को उगाते हैं, क्योंकि ये शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए होता है। इससे क्या होता है कि लैंड की फर्टिलिटी मेंटेन रहती है। जो सॉइल्स में नाइट्रेट्स के नोड्यूल्स होते हैं वो मेंटेन रहते हैं और वो उनकी फर्टिलिटी को या सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को मेंटेन या रिटेन करने में हेल्प करते हैं। एंड आफ्टर दैट फार्मिंग मेथड्स या फार्मिंग मेथड विच आर यूज्ड इन village Palampur. One is traditional farming methods. So in that method, the old system was using by the people, like wooden plow they were using for plowing the field. पुराने जमाने का जो लकड़ी का हल होता था, and they are completely depend on the rain for the irrigation, and they are using manure in place of fertilizer. So the fertility from the land is, the production from the land is not good. Now modern farming method, in modern farming method they are using HYV, high yield variety of seeds. They are using latest technology using tube wells, using different type of new methods for irrigations, and they are using chemical fertilizers and pesticides. And chemical fertilizer and pesticides, if we use chemical fertilizers and pesticides in the field, it requires more water in the form of irrigation. So when we use HIV seeds and providing irrigational facility, we are using pesticides, it increases the total output from the land. So this system adopted in the village Palampur. Clear? So in my next lecture we will complete this chapter, and the rest things we will discuss in that. Thank you.